Hi guys, I'm Sunny and welcome back to Sunny's Effing Delicious. Today I'm going to show you what I have for a typical weekday breakfast, which is normally 2 eggs with whatever fillings I prefer on the day. Anyway, it takes 5 minutes to whip up. Great way to start the day. Let's get straight into it. Right guys, my pan's warming up, and while that warms up I'm just going to prepare the rest of my ingredients. So I'm going in with a yellow bell pepper, which I'm just going to dice thin slices. Typical breakfast for me. Super simple, something really quick. I'm normally in a hurry in the mornings. Something that will fill me up, something that's reasonably healthy and easy to prepare. And this fits the bill, so I'm going in with some red onion. Alright, some cherry tomatoes here, which I'm just going to slice into quarters. And I just typically use whatever ingredients I've got in the fridge. Sometimes it's bacon, sometimes ham, mushrooms. So 1 mushroom today, and just keep it medium slices. Right, pan's on a nice medium heat, drizzle of olive oil, and then I'm just going to throw all of my ingredients in at the same time. Obviously it's a breakfast, we haven't got time to, mess about. Got 5 minutes cooking time, let's do it. Right, nice colourful start to the day. It's exactly what you want. What I'll typically do is I like it a little bit spicy, so I'll put in like a pinch of chili flakes. And I'll put in a pinch of ground cumin as well. And just let that get nice and hot, get that sauteed, get all those ingredients nicely sauteed. Okay, it's looking good. We're going to go in with a pinch of pepper, pinch of salt. Combine the ingredients together. Okay, I'm just going to give these ingredients a couple more minutes to saute. While they're doing that, let's just get our eggs going. So I'm going for a 2 egg omelette, which is typical for me. You can start to pick up some of that chili flavour now, that aroma. And that's exactly what you want. Right, we'll whisk up our eggs. No seasoning at the moment, no milk, no cream in my eggs, just egg. And I think my ingredients are ready, so I'm just going to tuck these ingredients in just slightly. Let's go straight in with our eggs. Okay, and just going to tilt the pan so the egg mixture kind of spreads. Brilliant, and I'm just going to give that a few moments to set. I'm just going to push down a little bit so that the sides of the egg don't get too crispy and overcooked. Right, let's go ahead with our cheese. So I've got some nice sharp cheddar cheese here, which is just going to go straight on top. Right guys, I'm not going to flip this omelette, I'm not going to fold it at the moment either. I'm just going to place it under the grill so the top half of the egg cooks and the cheese melts and gets a little bit golden. Right, let's do that. Right, in she goes, literally 60 seconds. Right guys, our omelette's done, our breakfast is almost ready. You've got 2 options here. You could just lay this flat on the plate, but what I like to do is I like to just fold it slightly, and what that does, it just showcases the ingredients underneath. Just look at that, looks stunning. And those onions have got and the onions and the tomatoes have got like a little bit jammy. And literally, I'll just slide this on to my board, onto my plate, and we're just going to finish this off with a generous amount of fresh Parmesan, just for a bit of sharpness, a bit of salty kick. And we're going to go in with a hit of pepper, and then we're just going to dot around a little bit of fresh basil. Right guys, there you have it. There is my cheese and veggie omelette. Nice and simple, super easy, really packed with flavour. I love this. Right guys, nothing fancy, very simple but packed with flavour, just a simple omelette. Guys, I'm going to do the taste test. Before I do, you know the drill. Like, subscribe, comment and hit that notification bell. Do all those things because they really help us. Anyway, enough talking, time for breakfast. Right, let's start off with, just go into the centre of it. Oh, you can see that gooey cheese, so good. Just simple ingredients done so well. A little bit of onion, tomato, pepper, 1 mushroom, a little bit of cheese, 2 eggs. Just so good, so good. You can't describe how good it is. And the only reason why it was like better than average is because you've put a pinch of cumin, and you kind of getting that in the background. You can't quite pick up what it is, but you're not sure if it's like some dried herbs or what it is. And that little bit of chili just gives it a touch, just a little something, it's really good. Guys, start your day with a good breakfast and it will lead to a good day, I promise you. Guys, this isn't just delicious, this is Sunny's effing delicious.